Okay. This is the second Keystone review packet. It's a lot of word problems. It says Raul has saved $640 and Jamie has $320 saved. They each begin a new job on the same day and save all their money. If Raul earns $180 per day, okay, Raul earns $180 per is multiplication per day, and Jamie earns $200 per day. In how many days will they have an equal amount of money? So begin with $640 saved plus $180 a day, and Jamie has $320 saved, $200 a day. So we can rewrite this as $180 per day, begins with $640, $200 a day, but begin with $320, and then we just go ahead and solve. I'm sorry, why did I do that? Number 2, Darlene is collecting prize tickets. The equation 2x plus 1 describes the relationship between the number of days x since she began collecting and the number of prize tickets y she has collected. She has collected 2 prize tickets at the end of one day. So days is x, 2 tickets is y. So does 1, 2, 9, 4, 10, 22, or 12, 25 work? So which one works? So if you have y equals 2x plus 1, does the first answer work? No. So nope. Does the second answer work? No. Does the third answer work? No. And does the fourth answer work? Yes. Number 3, Charlene owns a bookstore and she purchases used books for customers. She pays $3.50 for each hardback book, 75 cents for each paperback. She pays a customer a total of $199.74 and $149 for used books. Which system could determine the number of hardback books? Hardback books is X. Paperback books is Y. It says, which system of equations could be used to determine the number of hardback books and paperback books? So you have $3.50 per X, and you have 0.75 per Y, for a total of $199.75. So which one has that? And the amount of hardback books plus the amount of paperback is $149. So this is money, money, and money. That is not money, money. Neither is that. This is money, 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 amount. The difference between these two are where the x and 0.75 is. So 350 for x, not here. On the back, we're trying to solve the inequality. So we get x's to the left, and then we're going to put numbers to the right, and we're going to divide by a -1. But remember, when we divide by a negative, the sign flips. So these aren't -10. These are -10. This is less. This is greater. This is greater. So our answer is B. A t-shirt company has a goal to earn a monthly profit of more than $3,500. The company charges $20 per t-shirt and $1,500 a monthly cost. So this is their total. They want to earn more. So that's why it's greater. $20 per t-shirt. They subtract because this is their expenses, so they don't earn that. It's removed from their goal. It says, which best describes the meaning of X? The profit made from the sale of shirts, the profit made from 1 month of t-shirt sales, the number of t-shirts that need to be sold for the company to meet its goal, the number of t-shirts that need to be sold for the company to recover its monthly cost. Well, this talks about the goal. So $20 per shirt, this is amount of shirts. So it's not profit, it's the number of t-shirts. So it's the number of shirts for the company to meet its goal because we want to be more than 3,500. This is just removal of money for the monthly costs. So your answer is C. Okay, a part for a machine must meet a certain length of requirements. In this equality below, which statement describes the length of requirements? Okay, so when we're solving for absolute inequalities, you're going to have two situations. Because of absolute value, we have two directions. So 675, the stuff inside can be less than 0.25, and the stuff inside can be, you flip the sign and you negate. I'll explain why you do this, but this is how we solve this problem. So when I subtract 675 from both sides, I get negative, 0.25. I get negative 6.5, but when I divide by a negative, I flip the sign. So I'm greater than 6.5. And then here, do the same thing again. I'm going to subtract 6.75. So negative 2.5 or 0.25 minus 6.75 is negative 7. When I divide, I flip. So I can be greater than 6.5, but I have to also be less than 7. So I can be less than 7, but I can also be greater than 6.5 to meet the requirements. Okay. So the length must be less than 7. Well, that's true. The length must be greater than 6.5. That's true. The length of the part must be less than 6.5. No. The length of the part must be greater than 6.5 and less than 7. Yes. So why we flip the sign and negate? If I said I want a distance greater than 4, let's say, this is an example. Here I am on the number line. If I want a distance greater than 4, I'm greater than the number 4. Whatever x is could be greater than the number 4. It could be 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a distance greater than 4. This means distance. Or if I want a distance of 4 this way or greater, I could be the number -5. -5 is actually less than -4. So because the numbers switch in the direction you go, you switch the sign, and negate because you have two different directions. And that's it.